So shut up and dance with me. This woman is my misery, she says. Ooh, ooh. Audio input capture. Okay. Should be 7. Are we live on Telegram as well? Let's see. No, we're not. What's up, Zaire? What's up, Zaire? What's up, Zaire? What's up, Zaire? Wolf is back. Can sell now. Right. Peace. Just give me a second, guys. Relax. How do I find where is the chart? Is this moving? Okay, so this is the chart. Alright. Nice sells earlier. Yeah, nice sells. Okay guys, so we have USD high impact news in the next 4 minutes. New home sales. I just got done with some work, so I couldn't stream slightly earlier. Ideally, the way the price action sort of suggests the market movements to be for the night is definitely for us to get sells, right? And if we'd want to take buy, I would probably take buy anywhere within this range or this zone, which is from 2293 to 2286, right? That's basically our daily misdeep accurate level, right? MDA. So price, I think, sort of came and sniffed this level on the M1 just now, right? We came and sort of just sniffed it and we pushed up from here. So now that price is sort of a little bit higher than the level, we could always expect markets to sort of dump, right? Go all the way deep until 2286 and only then sort of push to the upside. So that's sort of what I'm predicting the news direction to be as well. There's no reason for us to buy. There's no price action on any time frame aside from M1, I would say, that would suggest the buys. And even M1 also, if you look at it, we are still downtrending, right? You connect the highs, you basically get lower high structures formed. M5 is sort of the same thing. It's bearish, right? Very bearish. So to me personally, the way that I look at things, by taking all time frames into account, also by judging the fact that right now we've already broken below our weekly OHLC level, right? The next price targets would definitely be the next OHLC level, which we have already came, right? We have already came there. But if we want to go and collect deep, then like I said, 2285 to 2287 would potentially be, like I'd say, maybe another 80 plus pips. So I would be more bearish comparatively on gold compared to me being bullish, right? And the only way I'm actually going to be bullish is if price is able to break back above this 2300 level, retest, and then we might go probably to retest back the OHLC that we broke out from just now, 2306, right? Whether I'm going to sell before the news or not, I am really not sure just yet, because it's going to be high risk. I might just use like a very small sized account, because this is going to be a very high risk trade. Ideally, I would love to see what the data actually presents for USD at 10, if USD is actually strong or if USD is actually weak, and then make a trade based on that. Right, so bro, my SL got hit. Oh my goodness, what broker do you use, buddy? Because I trade on HFM, GMI, both these brokers, SLs didn't get triggered. Even if you would have placed it, you wouldn't have gotten it triggered. but yeah, some broker spreads are slightly higher. So that's hard luck, buddy, hard luck. 47 seconds left, guys. I would definitely prefer a trade before the news, sorry, the trade after the news, so that we already get the sort of clearer indication on what's actually going to happen with gold. Because as of right now, price has just came down here to take even this liquidity out. We've taken it out, we've tapped into this daily demand or daily support, missed deep accurate level, we've rejected out of there. Alright, so yeah, it's a 50-50 for the news, guys. Alright, so if you guys are trading this news and if you guys are taking sells, make sure you guys use a small risk or trade a small sized account, right? I'm going to go for a single 0.05 sell entry and let's see what happens. What happens with the news? And we are barely moving because the data is yet to be officially out. I think we're pushing up. The data is bearish on USD. Alright, so that may suggest price to pump. Right, that may suggest price to pump. So ideally, guys, it's very simple. If we actually want to get buys on gold, if we actually want to take buys on gold to coincide with the data, we need to see gold breaking above or below any of this, breaking above these highs that we've gotten here right now. And the most obvious high that we see is at 2300. So the moment we break above that, it will trigger a buy, and the buy would pretty much be all the way until 2306. Alright, so USD's news didn't come in the favor of the sells. We may just push all the way till 2306, which will give us at least about 60 pips of a trade. I am still holding that 0.05 entry of mine. My stop loss for that is pretty much at 2301. Right, 2301. So I'm risking about 40 pips. Okay. The only way I will actually take buys and stop looking for sells is if we break above the highs, and the highs of 2300. So 2300 broken. Yeah, we take buys, we target at least about 50 pips gain. Right? We target at least about a 50 pips gain, because now on M5 it's not the cleanest, but it's still sort of like an inverted head and shoulders structure, right, which will be formed the moment we get the breakout of the neckline. Alright, so we will get sort of a push up all the way at least till the retest of the OHLC. I would have bought gold, alright, I would have bought gold if price actually entered this zone and sort of triggered in a little deeper, but it sort of just touched the tip of it, guys, and that's the reason why I just stayed out of it. And looks like we are about to break, guys. Again, if we break, that will trigger a buy at least till 2306. So I will take that buy. Right, I will take that buy at least till 2306. We might just get a QMM down below here. Right, why is this a QMM? Because on M15 you will see this as your low, this as your high, you have your lower low, and you have your higher high. So when price came here, price broke below. So we can always expect a retracement for this price to come back here, trigger this QMM, and then from here to dump back all the way down. Right, so even if we take buys, it's just going to be a very small quickie retracement trade to take before we get into continuation sells. Sorry, let me read some comments. Gold in H4 demand. Yep. IG, can you explain why gold so bearish today? Why is gold so bearish today? Well, because we've broken below OHLC levels. Fundamentally, I mean, I'm not too sure, but price failure to break above any highs and create a higher high, yeah, that's one of the biggest reason behind it, right? We don't get a higher high structure formed. You see on H1, no higher highs at all. Price creating lower highs all the way through, which indicated that we were about to dump. Right, it looks like we are about to get buys, guys. Okay, my gold sells that I took before the news is about to hit my stops, about 5 pips away, and about to, okay, we are out. Not yet, okay, we're out. Right, so lost about $20 in that, this small thing. Okay, I'm gonna take some gold buys right now, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take some gold buys right now. SL will be below at 2295, TP will be at 2306. So it's a 50 pips TP, 50 pips SL, right? We go for gold buys, we target for price to go all the way up till this region here at 2305 to 2306, right? And from here maybe we expect gold to like sort of reverse back down and maybe fill this bottom level that we have here. Where have you been yesterday? Yesterday I was a bit down, guys. I was a bit down, so I didn't want my emotions to get to you guys. I had lost quite a lot yesterday. I lost 4 trades in a row, which is something that very rarely happens to me. So I was emotionally pretty affected, and I knew I couldn't do my best on YouTube Live, so I just decided to sink the emotions in myself, let me recover. And yeah, today the comeback was a bit nicer. I did recover, not fully yet. I still have got another $400-500 more to go for me to like get a full recovery done. But once that is done, then you will be back on track. TP is at 2306, 2306, and your SL will be at 2295, 2295. Now if price wants to collect deep on, if price wants to collect deep, it can definitely come back to this. Yeah, if price wants to collect deep, it can definitely come back to this region here, 2297, 2296. This is your M5 demand. We could get a retest of that demand, and yeah, then push up, right? But ideally, I am still bullish, so I will be layering across the zone with my stops at 2295, targeting 2306, as we have now already gotten a break above this high here. Did M15 break? Okay, M15 will close in another 8 more minutes, which is at 10:15. So 619 is a bearish data. Yes, that's right, bearish data. So from the bearish data announcement, the price basically pushed up about 50 pips. It should go up more, right? Because this region here, there's not really much of a reasoning for price to reject back and push back down. Let's see, if price taps into this zone, guys, I will layer gold here, right? I will layer gold here with my stops placed at 2295. Right, about to tap into the zone. So I've added some layers here. Whoop. What the fuck was that? Because funding pips closed my position. Funding pips closed your positions. Why did they close your position? Ultimate TP 2310, 2308, I guess, buddy. 2310. Yeah, it is possible, right? It is possible because we did get the breakout, but price already gave us the pullback here. So if it wants to pull back, it can come the second time. So that's probably a good ultimate TP to have. But if you're holding also, bro, maybe just hold 10% of your overall position still there, because at 2306, 2308, I will personally close at least 70-80% of my positions. I will be out because I am actually very bearish on gold. Alright, this buys, I'm actually looking just to take a small minor retracement, right? A very minor retracement. Resulted in violated profit. Oh shit. As if we knew straight, like what the fuck, just executed at 7:33 PM. Oh, that's fucked up, man. Why, funding pips doesn't allow you to trade during the news? That's really fucked up, man. That's not fair. That's not fair at all. Wait, then let me just draw it out for you guys, right? SL would be at 2295, right? SL would be at 2295. And the TP will be at 2306. Right? Oh, sorry. 2306. Yeah, this is how the setup would sort of look like. I mean, just rip. Nah, they have 5 minutes window closed and open before the news. That's usually their ploy lah, buddy, because they know that during the news, if traders can get the direction right, traders make a pretty hefty gain, right? I don't know what to say lah. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's really not fair. I would flip, bro. I would flip. I would send them a fucking long ass email and screw them left, right, center. Like, what kind of stupid rules is this? Why are we getting a very bearish rejection? Why? The news is already bullish on USD. Is there anything that I'm missing out here? Forecast is good for currency. Actual came in worse than forecast. 634 was previous. They expected a bullish USD, but it turned out to be a bearish USD. Yeah, it should be a good trade. Is there an order block at 2297, 2295? What time frame are you looking at, buddy? M5, I would consider this to be a demand lah, right? A rally-based rally, right? Your rally-based rally, this is your demand. This is also sort of an inverted head and shoulders. It's not perfect, but it's sort of it. So there is lower time frame reasonings to buy here. Higher time frame, anything above M15 is still not recommending us to buy, except for the maybe rejections on M30 right now, but this will only be a complete rejection if this candle is able to close bullish, right? We have 18 more minutes to go for that, but I think this M15 will sort of show us a clear picture in the next 3 minutes if we were to actually go up or if we were to actually go down. As of right now, I'm still buying. I've laid in this zone. Let's see what happens. It's happening 3 times. Oof. Won't get banned again. When you have VIP group, yes, I do. It's not really VIP lah. It's just, I call it MVP, the most valuable players of Wall Street, and AMG, a group where we NTMC. But this week has not been the case lah. Hey. This week has been tough, guys. This week has personally been very tough for me as well. Got off to a very rough start. Especially yesterday was very, very rough. But it goes on, right? It's just a bad day. It's not a bad week. It's not a bad month. It's not a bad life. Just a bad day. Another bad day in the office. All we can do is just figure out what went wrong. Come back stronger. Where is the TP movement? Here you go. 2306. Am I being a little overly enthusiastic with my TP? No, I'm not. I'm targeting weekly OHLC, so that's making perfect sense. I'm also targeting previous H4 liquidity, which also makes perfect sense. Yeah, so maybe 2304, buddies. Alright, 2304.5. I might close off some. Might see if price can actually wick or shadow above. 2306, we'll close all. Very slow lah. Why is the market so slow? The news is supposed to give us the volume, but this whole past 2 weeks news has just been putting gold into a further sideways instead of bringing us volume, which is damn stupid. Bro, you won't be doing TikTok live anymore. Not until I get 1,000 followers on my new account, buddy, because this is my 6th account that I'm actually opening up right now. 5 accounts have already been banned. So I have one last account which I can't afford to risk, buddy, because wait, let me show you. Right, so this account is sort of the last account that I have. right? It's called the Wix Hunter account, and this is also, if you guys can see, under account warning, right? So if I were to do live there, then I will literally lose access to all my accounts. So yeah, this is a new account that I'm sort of building from scratch right now. Why don't I build accounts? Why don't I buy accounts? I do. Like, but you know, I prefer just building it from scratch to see how the algorithm would support. So yeah, this is sort of my brand new fresh account that I'm building right now. Let's see where we go. I always like a challenge, right? I always like a challenge. So let's see how it performs. This account I did buy. I bought it at about 27,000 followers. It's at 30.6 right now, but I bought it with like 27,000 plus followers. It was a friend of mine who was selling his account. But imagine spending money to buy an account just for it to get banned. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Man, I don't like the price action at all, bro. You're so slow, bro. You're so slow. Just entered gold buy now again 0.05. Right. I'm in the same 0.05 with 3 layers. Still committing a very small lot because this is, again, like I said, my overall trend is still bearish. I'm just expecting markets to give us a retracement. I'm going against the trend, but I'm going with the direction of the news. So there's still reasonings as per to why gold might just push, gold might just go up. But I'm going against the trend, guys, and I have bad history of going against the trend, so that's the reason why I just use a smaller risk, right? Instead of layering like a crazy ass or using a big size account, I just use like a $70 account with the 3 layers of 0.05, 0.15. If it's SL, then my $70 will basically become like, I think, 25 or 20, and it will give me room to, like, you know, sort of recover, because today was a good day for me. I did manage to recover some of my losses that I took yesterday, and I don't want to be trading big right now. I want to just trade a decent size account to make an extra 200-300% flip, and I'll be done for the day. So the same goes to you guys as well. Yo, what's up? Yo, FCC, what's up, brother? If you don't mind, can you share your single lot size to entry based on your capital? Let me show you. So as you guys can see, this is a $70 account, right? $71 account. The lot size that I've committed is 0.15, right? So 0.05 and 3 layers, right? One on top at 2301, which was a FOMO entry, and 2 back in the bottom layers, which is, bottom zone, which is running about 20 pips, 20-ish pips right now. But it varies, alright? It varies. My lot size will never stay the same on every setup. It depends on the stop loss pips. How many pips am I risking on that trade? If my stop loss is tight, right? If my stop loss is like 20 pips or 15 pips, then my lot size usually increases, and increases pretty big. But if my SL is wide, like I need a 50 pips SL or I need a 35 pips SL, then my lot size usually reduces. It's 30 pips from the zone, guys, but price is rejecting off this 2300. It's a key level. It's a key level. It's not nice, guys. Not nice at all. What's the time? It's 10:15. Where did the M15 close? The M15, ayo. M15 didn't break above the previous high. We don't have any bullish signs. This is very bearish. From running a 25 pips profit to floating back again. Let's go, go. That's the way, you mother chod. Big boss Mr. Raja is arriving in the morning. Nice. Nice. I have not followed up with him just yet, but let's see. I am actually free and easy tomorrow. If you're going Alim, then drop me a text on Insta, bro. We can probably go tomorrow. Go together. I know it's full house, but we'll go and we'll show him that Malaysians just never believe if it's full house or not. As long as we know where the place is, we'll bombard in. Bro, can you correct me if I'm wrong? Is there an FVG at 2305 to 2310? You're not wrong. I hope you're looking at this M15. If this is what you're looking at, then yes, you're not wrong. But we've got more than one. Oh my goodness. Okay, give me a second, guys. This bloody idiot nicely ran and then immediately reversed back down. Adoy. We were up about 30 pips from the zone, and then within 3 M1s back down again. It doesn't really have the volume to push. This might be a trade to hit stops lah, guys. Hi. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Can I do anything differently? Should I just stick with my trades stops? Should I cut right now? What should I do? Price is still within the M5 demand, right? Okay, this is still within the M5 demand, but this is a drop-based drop, a supply. This is a bearish engulfing. Ooh, so many bearish signs right now. From the highest entry, we are floating about 30 pips. From the zone, we are basically floating at break even. What can I do? 10:20. Should I wait till 10:30? I think I'll wait till 10:30, guys. I'll give it another M15. I'll wait another M15 candle to see if there is still signs of bullishness. If there isn't, then we might just cut this trade at break even or at a small profit and you know, just screw the TP and maybe look for a bearish sign to appear and we sell gold. We can sell low. Because whatever that's happening on M5 right now is not bullish. Yet. Right? Yet. Yeah, I'm still holding on, but there might be a chance where in the next 9 minutes, the new M15 candlestick, we might just get out of this trade. Because I entered with this as a confirmation, and the next candle basically broke back below. Was still okay. When we pushed up here, it was still good, but this now, right, this now is an engulfing here. Right, this now is an engulfing. So this is actually a bearish sign on M5. So your lower time frame was the only reason that we entered the buy, but now even lower time frame is giving us a bearish sign, which is the problem. Chiba USD pamping. God knows lah, buddy. God knows, God knows. Like, I'm not really following up with whatever is actually happening in the US, because I know it's just a hell lot of manipulation right now. But there's probably some news that we are yet to find out lah, buddy. There's probably some news that we are yet to find out. Let's see, weekly. Wow, is this your weekly reversal? This is your SNR valid. Weekly, daily, H4, right? Weekly, daily. Your daily perubahan arah, which is your perubahan arah. Daily you take this means, then your perubahan arah is this. So anywhere across this zone, week daily H1. Daily H1. The price might come here. Do you see the Asian sessions and London session is manipulation? Yeah, a lot of manipulation. Wait, yeah guys, I'm just doing a very quick in-depth analysis on DXY. Yeah, so DXY might pump, guys. If it wants to find its reversal, it might come up here, sideways here, and only then drop back down. So wait, what's the price of gold? Yep, DXY definitely does look to fly. Right? Where is my charts? Where is my charts? Where is the buy? Where is it? Where is it? There you are. 51 seconds. Or even this M5 looks terrible, horrible, like a vegetable. I closed at 2300. That's a good move. I might be exiting the trade, guys. What's my float? My float is at $30 right now. You have it, but you can't see it. Yeah, about negative $28, $29, $70 account, so it's almost 50%. Another 5 more minutes indication, not sure where though. So how to achieve consistency? Just keep trading, bro. Just keep doing the same thing every single day. Do you say that Asian session and London session is manipulation? If you're talking about it on a daily basis, then no. But if you're talking about what happened today, then yeah, it sort of looks like it. Alright, it definitely looks like it because it gave us a lot of bullish sort of fake outs, price actually attempting to break but rejecting with shadows. So this whole range here, alright, this whole range here basically was price forming support, sweeping below liquidity, trying to push up, but failure to break above any single highs here basically ended up pushing price all the way down. London more manipulation than Asian. But recently, right, very recently, I'd say over the past month or so, we've been seeing a lot of volume during the Asian session as well. And it's a bit surprising because sometimes the Asian session has more volume than the US session. So it's like they have flipped roles, right? The Asian session has taken over the London role, the US roles, and the US session has taken over the Asian session roles. And the only justification that I could probably find, or maybe sort of make sense with it, is because China has actually been very actively buying and selling gold recently. And as you guys know, they are a very big economy by themselves, right? So when you get the Chinese money in, markets are about to move. So they have been, I'd say, maybe a little bit too interested in what's happening with gold recently, and maybe that's why we see Asia having a lot of volume. And you may wonder why London is more manipulative than don't break below the low. This is such a bearish structure, man. Okay, that's my last layer on gold, guys. Alright, the bottom of the zone is where I actually have my last layer right now. SL is at 95. I'm probably assuming that we are about to hit stops. This might not be a winning trade for me. M30 looks disgusting, like really very disgusting. How many more minutes left, guys? 1 minute and 40 seconds. Man, this M15's gotta do something, bro. Because if it closes like this, guys, if M15 closes like this, closes as a bearish candlestick, closes within the zone, or even, if it even engulfs, I would probably cut this trade before we hit stops as well. Right? But if we get some sort of resurrection from price where it still shows us that it might just push up, I might continue holding on. Right? For now, I'm still in the trade. I have my last layer that has been executed down below. So just added another one more down below there. Right, so I've got one running at negative 35, one running at like negative 10 pips, and the other running at positive 10 pips. Let's see what happens. Indian auntie stocking up on gold during Asian. Yeah, I'm planning to cut, but it's resurrecting, guys. Resurrecting. It's showing us some glimmer of hope. This M30 was disgusting just now. Now it's okay, not too bad. Let's see. Can this actually be a good sustainable push up? Risking $18. Right. Let's go, bro. As long as you guys know what your risk is, it's good enough. For me, my risk is about $60. Small risk. 4 seconds, 2, 1. Aye. You close like that. I am actually supposed to hold right now, but you could have closed bullish for me to be more confident holding it. So you see the candle closed outside of our zone, right guys? That's usually a good sign, but it still closed a bearish candle. This M30 also, oh my god, so terrible. I've been getting fucked over and over again just buying gold, and I should just quit buying. I should just focus on selling. Even if price is low, I must sell. Price is high, I must sell. And you make easy profits. And when you buy, you get into floats like this, which is so annoying. Right, I'm sticking with the plan, guys. If we hit stops on this, then it will be price hitting 22.95. I will be out of the trade. If not, means then I will just continue holding now, because for me to cut the trades early, I would have needed M15 to close inside the zone. There will be signs for me to like get out of the trade. Right now, if I do that, there is a chance where price might just come, collect back the zone and push up. I would have taken unnecessary losses. So I don't want to go against the setup. I don't want to go against my plan. Let's just stick with it and see what happens. News. This is crude oil news, bro. This is not gold news, right? Crude oil inventories. This is news that will impact WTI, not gold, right? So if you look at WTI right now, yeah, see USD strong, so WTI sort of dumped, right? But it's not a news that usually will impact gold. It's crude oil inventories. Wow. How many pips did it drop? 53. Why my setup keeps going missing? Where is the setup? Is this the one? This is also not the one. Okay, where is the setup lah? There you have it. There's just something about the trades that I've been taking on live recently is that I'm finding it very difficult to get zero floats and trades that run quick. Maybe because I'm streaming, I think, a little too late. So maybe I might start streaming the early US sessions, maybe somewhere around 8 o'clock or maybe somewhere around 8:30, where volume is supposedly to be much more better, and see if we can actually trade some zero floats, quick running trades, you know, where I don't have to stay on one trade for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, because I usually don't like doing that. Yeah, trusting the setup, guys. I'm going with the plan, the initial plan. I am running some blues right now, but I'm still holding. Let's see what happens. Right, so from about -40, we are at +15 right now. It's just been a yo-yo, an up and down yo-yo. Let's see what happens with this. The moment it goes near this 2300 level, it's like it's got a opposite force there that just pushes price down immediately, Damn, I legit kid you guys not, I hate trading markets like this. It's really annoying, really frustrating, and it will take out a lot of energy out of us, because we are just like, you one trade and we are putting so much of focus, so much of energy on. I just hate doing that. Trading is supposed to be like easy, fun and easy. When markets move like this, it's just up and down in a specific spiral. Yeah, it usually uses a lot of our energy lah, guys. $10.35. How can you go from being so bullish to being so bearish? I don't get it. Creating a lower high. Yes, it is. It is. But what it's also doing is it's actually adding onto the liquidity pool on top here. You see, this will basically be now liquidity. It's adding onto the liquidity pool. If we do get a bullish push, then we should be pushing all the way above this in one go. Boom. I'm just looking for one trade, one good trade. It's not too much that I'm asking for, gold, right? I'm not asking for too much. $36 pips. Right, guys, about 7 pips away from stops right now. This will hurt. Really annoying me. The only reason I took a trade and the only reason that I bought was because we had news and we had new home sales. This news is usually one to actually move price by at least about 100 plus pips, right? And what made me confident that the movement was going to be big was because if you guys remembered, I'd say maybe last week, or was it last week? Wait, let me find there. Just give me a second. I think it was last week Friday or last week Thursday. Wait. June 3rd, June 9th. It should be somewhere here. It should be somewhere here. Wait, yeah, guys, just give me a second. Yeah, so this one, right? Friday, last week Friday, we had existing home sales at 10 o'clock, same timing, but the only difference was that this was medium impact, and today's news was high impact. So this news on Friday, if you remember, it sort of pushed gold down an additional 200 pips, right? It was this movement that we saw here, Friday at 10, right? It was this movement that we saw here from 2340 pop all the way down till 2329, and then continuation push down all the way till 2316, right? So this was the Friday's news, which was medium impact. So automatically today, when I'm seeing the fact that we've probably gotten the same type of news, but the only difference is that today's one was sort of higher impact, right? It's new home sales and it's high impact. I was expecting a bigger move. You know, if this could actually push down at least about 100 pips on like a single H1 candle, this should do more. But no, gold was like, nope, that's not happening. I'm not moving. because you found it out right now. You know that I moved 100 pips on Friday, so I'm not gonna do the same. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna just range. I'm just gonna be in sideways because I can. So goes like playing that bitchy ex-girlfriend of ours right now, guys, which is annoying. Friday 10 p.m. news. Yep, that's right. For real. Oh my god. So sassy, bro. Fucking annoying, bro. We're back down. Negative 42, 43, 44, 41. The market is very, very slow, guys. Should I just not did live? I actually didn't know about the news until someone actually asked me in the channel, are you doing live later? And then I'm like, wait, is that news? Then I saw there was news. I'm like, okay, let's do live. It'll be fun. Shall we hold a cut? I'm still holding, buddy. I'm still holding. Right. If in the next 3 minutes M15 closes within the zone, then I will cut. Then I'll just fuck the fact that we want to take a trade anymore. I'll just cut to see if price breaks below this low. I will enter a counter sell below, or if we break above, then I will counter back the buys above lah. But it depends on this M15's closing, buddies. Right, it depends. Nothing will hurt more than cutting the trade only to see the trade running in your direction. Right? It's actually worse than losing a trade. Yeah, I think so. So I was like, gold is waiting for me to cut so that he can fly. I think I have no choice, guys. I really have no choice, but I really have to do this. This is the only way. I think this is the only way. When there's no choice, we resort to our holy grail. This is the only way, guys. You know, this is like the Doctor Strange part in Avengers. Out of 14 million probabilities, this is the only way. Already cut. Okay, up to you. Good buddies. We are so back. Hopefully it still works. It's after a while. We've tried it on TikTok. It worked on TikTok. It's on YouTube for the first time. So let's see if it works on YouTube lah. If it doesn't, then we've got to find a different track for YouTube lah. Usually happens only after we cut loss. That's true also actually. கெட்ட வார்த்தை வேணா அதிரடி போனா lah guys. I think I'm gonna cut in the next 50 seconds. If the closing is like this, I will cut. Right, I will cut. If the closing is within the zone, it will be pretty shitty for me to hold. I will just cut. I will lose lah. I will lose about $35. Which is still okay because I'll leave my account at least with the balance 50% to recover. YouTube career off to a tough start. Indeed, buddy. Very tough start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. I am going to cut this trade right now, guys. I am running negative $36. Right. I'm out. Right, I'm out. This song didn't work. Wow, I can really cry with fucking punta. Hey. Wow. Oh, it really hurts way. This one no joke lah. Yeah, I'll be running literally the same amount I was floating just.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
It is what it is, guys. What can we do? New song to make gold fly. At least now we know what's the song on YouTube. You called it, bro. You called it. I wish it was different the first fucking time, man. Fuck, man. It just never changes, bro. Some things just can't freaking change, man. But no, you got to be kidding me. Like, I literally cut at this candle, guys. This one here. This one. This one. I cut here. This one. Here. This red candle. And literally the next 3 candles. You cannot script something like this, you know. It's not scripted. It can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, on a motorbike. Wow, I can really cry away. It's fine. You got stop loss already, must follow the stop loss. No need to be over smart. For what need to be over smart? Correct or not? Never learn. You were on spot more when it hurts more than SL. I told you. I told you. Oh my god, this is about to go to our fucking take profits right now, guys. Ay, 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 ay. Wow. If I didn't cut, we would have pumped another 30 fucking pips, man. That would have been break even plus profits. Powell is watching the stream, bro. Gonna get sad as fuck. Hi, ay, ay. Nothing that we could do, guys. The setup would have still been valid. We came very close to stops at 95.5.